Hi, this is Rohit. As you know, WebTours sample application is used for learning the Loadrunner tool or even the JMeter or like for any performance testing tool. So this is a web application that you can download from this link here. I'll provide this link in the description. You need to log in first to download. Without that, the microfocus site won't allow you to download it. So I have logged in. If not, you have to sign up and log in. Once you download it, um, the folder will be there, and this will be zipped. I have to unzip it. The first step is to install the Strawberry Pearl, as this application is developed on the Strawberry Pearl. So this is a straightforward installation. There is no big deal in this. So many times what happens is we install the Strawberry Pearl from somewhere else apart from the whatever the exe they have provided with this application. So that's where most of the things go wrong. So make sure that you install this particular version 5.10.1.0. So again, it's a straightforward installation. So once this is done, what I have to go is go to HTTP WebTours. Then you have to start the server. If you get any such notification, allow the access, and then you too have to see on which port this is running on. So example, let me see for my configuration. So if you search for the listen port, it's listing on 1080 by default. The localhost 1080, the HTTP WebTours application will be running on. But if you want to change, you can do that here. Also, sometimes what happens is we run different servers on our machine, for example, WPT or many other things. So this would have been already occupied. In that case, there will be conflict and you will not be able to run. So in that case also you have to change that port. So let me open that localhost 1080. So if you only open this, then you will get this error. So what I have to do is I have to open the full link, that is ht webtours home.html. So there is a sign up and there is an administration link. So sign up, you have to sign up, say Rohit, some password to give here. Until Garbham Bengaluru. So okay, so I have already signed up now and logged in also. So if you want to go to the login page, that's the where the start point for most of our performance testing scenarios. So to go to the WebTours index.htm. So most commonly used username and password is Jojo, and the password is bin. Okay, yeah, thank you.